Yeah, the old man had been blessed, 'cause on every list, what was voted the most likely to. There's a monkey on his back, and it's leaving its tracks on arms that were once muscle bound. Now the old man sits on his front porch every day, watching the sun going down.
Thank you. I'm not the only one that felt that.
He was 9 years old, shooting basketball goals, but now his goals just ain't the same. So when you got to get high just to survive, you know, scoring is still the name of the game. From a Pepsi and a Baby Ruth, the pills and 90 proof, and it's cold. It's not the carbonated kind. Now the old man's not forgotten, his only begotten. He said, I just call you son now, 'cause you're mine.
Whoa! Yeah! Damn right!
Now there's a monkey on his back, and it's leaving his tracks on arms that were once muscle bound. Now the old man sits on his front porch every day,
That's okay. I got it.
watching his son going down. Now the horse he rode away didn't live on oats and hay, but he rode that horse into the ground. Now the old man, he stands with the flowers all around, watching his son going down.